The Cologne Cathedral, known as Kölner Dom in Germany, is indeed located close to the Hauptbahnhof, which is the central train station in Cologne, Germany. In fact, it is just a short walk away. The cathedral is one of the most iconic landmarks in Cologne and one of the largest Gothic cathedrals in Europe. Its construction began in the 13th century and took several centuries to complete. The cathedral is renowned for its stunning architecture, intricate stained glass windows, and its twin spires that dominate the skyline of Cologne. It's a must-visit destination for tourists and a significant religious site for the Catholics. As a Catholic, I'm enjoying it here. Night sights, and this is really enjoying sights to behold. Yeah, so beautiful. Thank you. Please hit the subscribe button for more videos.